Gee, some people are tall. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what a privilege it is for me to be up here with a great amount of bush balladeers here tonight. This is the best in Australia, but whoever you've seen on the stage tonight. Now, this song I want to do for you, it is a very special song to me because it was actually written by the man on my right, Mr. Peter Simpson, and he wrote this song about a Vietnam vet, and I put it on my latest album, which is called Back to the Bush, and we've had nothing but comments and you know, and we just think that it's going to do really, really well. It's a beautiful story, and I want to thank Peter so much for giving it to me. And it goes like this, ladies and gentlemen. I was driving down a dusty road in the northwest of our state. My eyes were kind of weary, for the afternoon was late. I stopped beside a welcome sign at the Wabika Hotel. I thought I'd get a bite to eat and to rest there for a spell. On that pub veranda was a sight I'd never forget. His blue eyes looked into mine, although we'd never met. He was wearing cut-off jungle greens and a faded old green hat. Then he introduced me to his dog that he named Nui Dat. He said, when I left the army, mate, I just couldn't let it go. I tried to live a normal life, but that wasn't to be so. So we wander around the country, this old dog and me. We ain't got much to show, but we like living free. He said, most folk think I'm crazy, and maybe they're right, but they don't know the torment or the dreams I have at night. I've lost good mates through drinking, and I'm not proud of that. But there's one that doesn't judge me. That's my old dog, Nui Dat. I can tell a decent bloke from 100 yards away, and I reckon there's a reason that you've passed out this way. So come and sit beside me, we need to have a chat. You see, I'm a little worried about my old dog, Nui Dat. Well, I trained him as a soldier just for a bit of fun, though he's never seen a bayonet or he'll never see a gun. But when I yell out, contact, he hits the ground and waits. RSM. Well, he sits up nice and straight. But mate, I won't be round for long. It's more like weeks than years. And he pulled the old dog to his side. I saw a hint of tears. I'm going to ask a favour. Please don't deny me that. When you drive away from here, could you take Nui Dat? Well, so I'm driving down a dusty road in the northwest of our state, trying to reach the border before it gets too late. I have a gift in my hand, it's a faded old green hat. And sitting up here next to me is my new friend, Nui Dat. Yeah, he's sitting up here like an RSM. My new friend, Nui Dat. Thank you very much.
Mr. Dale, Duncan, don't go away just yet, Dale. You make me very, very proud the way you do that song, and thank you so much, mate. You put so much emotion into it. I can't imagine anybody else doing it any better, mate, and it means so much to me. Thank you.